Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Download Rufus. Open your web browser and go to the Rufus website. Download and install Rufus. Step 2. Insert USB drive. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Step 3. Open Rufus. Launch Rufus. Your USB drive should be detected automatically. Step 4. Select ISO file. Click on Select and choose the ISO file you want to use, e.g., Windows installation file. Step 5. Start the process. Ensure the partition scheme is set to MBR, for BIOS, or GPT, for UEFI. Click Start. Step 6. Confirm and wait. Confirm any prompts to proceed. Wait for Rufus to create the bootable USB drive. And that's it. You've created a bootable USB drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.